to share a little bit an overview. It's so important for us. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So let me start sharing.
My name is Gavin Hudson. I'm
In the medical diagnostics, yes, we have collaborated extensively with Find USAID, especially in the HIV.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Cancer space, and therefore oncology and that kind of something that I'm really keen about.
We owning that. Also with great interest in
But she's been immensely
to see how we can support the child.
We have to run for office. I was a governor of my state.
Yes. It's not easy.
But it's the so I will the leaders conference in DC 2022.
Yes.
Let's do it for the camera.
These people do this, stand there. Okay, thanks.
Very good.
Thank you. See you, Sean.
Amazing.
In
President, it's such a pleasure to be here again. I am Emma Edward, and I am in the healthcare space and mobilizing everything that we can, including the U.S. private sector, so that they can attract financing. There's two things that I experienced here.
That's a garment facility in growing town. So, yeah, well, to summarize, as the ambassador said,
And it else needs to be done so we can do something.
I'm excited about this too.
Yes.
Excellent. Well, we are taking a $5 million investment fund. So that's one of the projects.
and an export expertise from our farmers.
200 million
What do
in
you
apparel.
want?
In apparel, so we now in apparel. We have a little bit in snack nuts, like nuggets, and Ambassador Whitman.
The potential is enormous, and
Both are doing well. The suppliers, so the capability, not just in, so it's been great to really start to learn the Kenyan market.
5 years ago now. Since then we've expanded into Africa.
You're talking to a brother?
Yes.
He is one of the largest chicken farmers in Kenya.
Small scale sector. You'll see our chicken farm. So we sell the breeding stock throughout sub-Saharan Africa, and our interest in stock into the market for 3 years, and now we are phase one.
okay.
We have our breeder farm in Western Mandara. Following that, we put a bigger hatchery and process.
Would not let the ethanol into.
So let me see if I can,
They came to me this afternoon. They were not what you would like to do.
Get me
about
the Lawrence again to see.
You will recall all the drama around.
Thank you for the gift of it. Very much in line with your Vision 2030. Leads to you bearing good news.
It's to do with this